Hello guys. So I've been using the Remember the Milk app for quite some time now, and honestly, it's become my go-to tool for managing both personal and work tasks. Right from the first day, I noticed how intuitive it is to add tasks in just one line, including due dates, priority tags, and even repeats. This simplicity makes it incredibly easy to get started and stay organized right away. For Shopify store owners or busy entrepreneurs, this feature is a game changer, as it allows you to quickly organize your day without feeling overwhelmed. I love that I can get reminders via email, text, IM, Twitter, or directly on my mobile devices, whether I'm on Android, iOS, or even my Apple Watch. It really keeps me on top of everything, from client work to random personal errands that I would usually forget. The flexibility of these reminders means that no matter where you are or what device you're on, you're always in the loop. One thing I really like is the subtasks feature. It lets me break down bigger tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces. I often have projects where one task has 3 or 4 layers of subtasks, and the app handles it smoothly without feeling cluttered. This helps keep everything organized, making complex tasks feel much more achievable. Whether you're juggling multiple projects or just need to stay on top of daily tasks, subtasks really help manage the load. For example, if you're working on a product launch for your Shopify store, you can break it down into smaller tasks like design product page, set up payment gateway, and email marketing campaign. Breaking down large projects like this can ensure you stay focused and on track. Another aspect I appreciate is the smart lists in the search wizard. I can filter tasks based on high priority, due dates, or even specific tags, and it saves me a ton of time hunting through my lists. This is particularly helpful if you're managing several campaigns or product releases at once. It feels like the app understands how I think and organizes my workflow accordingly, making it easier to stay on top of things. With these features, it's much quicker to focus on what really matters and prioritize tasks that need attention right away. For example, if you have high-priority orders to fulfill or a promotional deadline approaching, you can quickly filter out other tasks and focus only on what needs to be done first. Sharing tasks and lists with others is also super easy, especially with integrations like Google Drive or Dropbox. I've used that for team projects, and it just works. This is a huge time saver when collaborating with others, and it makes sure that everyone stays on the same page. You can quickly share lists or assign tasks, which is especially helpful for team-based work. For those managing a remote team or working with external partners, this feature can ensure seamless collaboration without needing multiple communication platforms or tools. It simplifies everything from product updates to marketing tasks. I'm on the Pro plan at $39.99 per year, and it's totally worth it for the extra perks like advanced sorting, Note script automation, attaching files, and even customizing tag colors. Honestly, it's a lifesaver when I want to automate repetitive tasks or generate quick reports. These features make Remember the Milk not just a task manager, but an efficient productivity tool that keeps everything flowing smoothly without the need for constant manual input. If you're handling multiple store updates, product launches, or managing a team, Milk script automation can help you streamline everything, from automatically assigning tasks to sending reminders, saving you valuable time and energy. The mobile app is excellent too. It's got a clean, material design on Android and gives me access to everything I can do on the web app. I can even add tasks straight from Gmail, which is a massive time saver when I'm dealing with emails for work. This is a perfect feature for Shopify store owners who are constantly managing customer inquiries and supplier emails. Being able to convert an email directly into a task means nothing slips through the cracks. Notifications are reliable, and the syncing across all devices is seamless, so I never have to worry about missing a task. Whether I'm on my phone, tablet, or computer, my to-do list is always up to date, keeping me on track no matter where I am. If I had to point out a tiny downside, it's that there's a learning curve with all the advanced features, and some features are locked behind the Pro plan. But once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. Remember, if you're just starting out with the app, take your time exploring the features. There's a lot of power behind the simplicity, and once you get the hang of it, you'll find it incredibly easy to manage your day-to-day tasks. Overall, Remember the Milk is more than just a to-do list app. It's a comprehensive task management system that helps me stay organized, hit deadlines, and manage multiple projects without stress. I honestly don't know how I managed my days before using it. For anyone juggling multiple tasks, whether it's managing a Shopify store, client projects, or personal errands, this app will definitely help you stay on top of everything.